Ewenyigba TV. Afika mie senanu tsona mia denyigba kple miaƒe dekɔnu. Afike mie srɔ̃na nu, afike mie nyana nu le. Ke egbe fi ɖa tɔxɛ yike miagadzaka kadonyawo le mia dome ƒe wɔna dzia, medo wòezɔ na mi. Elabe fiɖa ya ele tɔxɛ abe leke mi wɔnɛ ɖa ko miekɔna tanyawo vanɛ eye miedzronɛ, miesrɔ̃na nu, miekpena ame tɔxɛ aɖe vana eye wòva fiana nu eye míawo hã nukpɔlawo hã míeɖena míaƒe susuwo ɖe go, míeɖena eyiwo ke dzi mi meda asi ɖo ɖe goa, nenema ke wògale dzi egba. Ke egba míegale dzi yim kple lɔlɔ̃ kple ga la versus money part 2. Eya enye akpa evelia. Ŋutsɔ yike míewɔ lɔlɔ̃ kple ega edo ŋgbe na mi be míava yi dzi eye míage ɖe eme. Eƒo nu tso nu yike lɔlɔ̃ nye nu eye míatɔ fia nu mi tso nu yike ga nye nu. Ena mienya nu yike yewɔe be egba ega va dzi ɖum le lɔlɔ̃ gbɔ. Efia nu mi wòde teƒe, wòde to, ke míegblɔe be egba alo ŋkeke bubu yike miagava age ɖe tome. Ke maɖe míatɔ kɔfia, anye egba nye zi gbãtɔ ekpɔm, maybe ame ɖe míakpɔ fia menye o ta magaɖi afia míatɔ Reverend, Counselor, Fashionist, Eden, Carson, Wezɔ.
Tabero, mazoremu, nega bagba.
Mega bagba.
Akpene ma obe nega ba. Nye do gbena miaƒe nyasela.
Egba le tɔxɛ. Mehi ele busy hã ko. Ele busy hã ko. Tsɔtsɔ ɖeke mebe neva gaka akpene ma obe gba miete li ɖe zia me. Akpe ne mawo. Ke osɔfo. Ŋutsɔ efia nu mi. Ena miese gɔme be ega nye nane yike nakɔ dzinu. Eɖe me be tsã miezana barter trade. Migava ge ɖe hotsui zaza me. Fifia wova wɔ paper. Eyɔ ŋkɔ ɖe nɛ. Meŋlɔ be ya egava ge ɖe lɔlɔ̃ ƒe akpa dzi. Eɖe lɔlɔ̃ vovovo yiwo ke li be ɖe nye Eros ho, ɖe nye agape, gayɔɖowo, ene gblɔ be eyi ko dze be mianɔ zazama fifia ebu. Fifia ebu. Ke efia nu mi zã aleke dzilawo kura gɔ hã womewo viwo lɔm mi o. Ye wonu gbegble fiamo aleke nu yike fiamo le woa wohem ɖe eyi gbɔ be woava dzi ŋutsu yike si ga le wu. Ene gblɔ be esrɔ̃ hã egblɔ nɛ ɖaa. Nyateƒea ŋutsɔ ma mebɔbɔ. Ta miekɔ ge tso fima miewu nu ɖo ema eye nɔ nu ƒom tso nu be yesrɔ̃ ŋutɔ kura nɔ gblɔm ɖa be dzila doa woƒe failure nu yike womete get o ta wo feel be yewo vi nyɔnuviwoa no va correct na yewo. Ta wova dɔna wo alo ƒe nyagbɔgblɔ wòava wɔnɛ be ta ɖeviwo ƒe susu va trɔna be ayo ne dzi ŋutsu yike gale wo si boŋ ne yewo hã yewo ƒe aƒe na wɔm ka na nyo. Ta míayi megbe míatsoe tso fima ke míage ɖe biabiawo me ayi dzi.
Akpene wo ɖe mɔ kɔkɔta. Yes, a monk of do when me up and yes allow from follow. If you near me gaba abaleka me up a shimonola no Madame Vero Breda. Nenemaima ni chwami no phone kude lolo how my canally near erroneous law, near filial law, near storage law, near agape law, near ludus, and also exam. Yakami bana hayaka mau jibana mia aho, wano mia shia, yenye agape.
Okay.
Kaka ay kana na udona sro enye erroneous.
Okay.
Ekele sro plus sro dumo. Enye kaka agape to enye habi lolo, no people lolo, maukla, and go double lolo. I gave it 2 examples. Example, when you mau na meow, meow na meow no meow. Aha. So vertical and horizontal.
Okay.
Imo go le fifia, mi akpobona lolo bakpajia elli. E gapakpaji hanli. Kaka bi mi pulo lo bakpaji mi ba kure ganchi. Yemo globana nanyaba amadeli fifia shido sodawi ba ya destroy. Ngbanto eka wa buta mochonchia yenye nka ye anye eka manyololo iko bala fudem aha ta lemia purunchonchi wa adetepa enu ka kumoji ma agblo kwenye ba fifia mi akwejo afi stabelo enyabona abaleke mi kwenjo na enyabona fifia amado ba liko they are just transactional business people in terms of love. There's no real love anymore. Transactional mean kubana na kona nebe, nyama kona nekobe. Untuale maga kombe, nyama kona ma body be.
If you have ne maso panya goma.
Yeah.
If you have a relationship pack baje magromela. So if amabe in a relationship.
That one will lead to the marriage. Relationship I go guide the marriage.
That couple suma ganye be marriage. Tayawa the relationship what to them
it's a business.
Body ve.
Nana
ko gave.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the relationship.
That is what's happening now.
Okay.
And everybody can tell the truth. Amashamatetu at the governor and yaka glomola, elemo bana transactional law, yellow figure. Ama have body ve, quiver beauty ve, quiver wig ve, quiver face ve, quiver nails ve. Quiver eyelashes be. Ye ohana ko baga ko be. No ko baga be wa my pogo. See when they me to the body, not the body capekwe, not the part a jumoti na lamu. Not the pa ye ko yemona na wanyan blue ko na go le blue. Na le red ko na go le red. Magbo ba cham nya ti lo bo lo iko. Jimia magali video. Mi keta magali Ewenyigba obo nkuma koko enyi bana obo blombe nanyeba amare ba ya reso ajeba olaka wa kpobona amaya apalashi agulashi adolashi enyo ncho akpaje ka bibi anyongo bakpaje nke ojo wa no shifi ya na blo ya reso okay afuma magaba kudemu
ite ba funa magaba tama
You are also a witness to it. See, check it and see. Check it and see.
The most important thing is where
the man should have a work to do. The man should have money. The man should be ready to look after me.
Can you know Pakbajier?
Makuno bata and you can ask some problem quickly. They all so the relationship manager. Never known to ever Galatia. That's what the if a woman has her own money, those challenges we have in marriage, relationship, it will never come. Even if it will come, it will just be 5%.
Also.
I'm telling you.
Also, I can't I'm a good man. No longer in your junior. The mess of my head,
I tell you when you never amarabe at a straw. I'm trainer. I don't want to go to Abaleko. I don't want to go to so I know the banana show. Not on your mother. Okay. Among people show, but I think upon your magic. Yeah, you're going to have shelter,
okay,
food, and clothing. These 3 things, if you meet it, that's basic need for anybody. As a man, before you marry, you must have those things.
Okay.
Now, I'm asking, as a woman, what is it that you should have before you also marry or accept the man to marry?
Okay.
In Kenya,
Okay.
you know, Nanyaba nyongwa mi buntu arwa numo na noshi edona noshi apana noshi ahona noshi abuna noshi aye wa ko te boy ka dade wo no jio ko mari ime ogomna de nyonde nke ojebo wa noshi ma ko globa nanyaba nyong e pe bo do wo e galeshi ni kai to ate wa problema bia ntoma wo abia relationship will not have problem.
Okay.
That's Amazon.
Look at that.
The reason why men find it difficult to be paying all the time is marriage is partnership.
Okay.
Therefore, a man and a woman leave their parents, and both of them will come together and make one body. So that's partnership. If you are you talk with ye japlaga, atadi plaga, a hojiga, ye bill, ye water bigaga, ye electricity bigaga, ye can the Jewish Kubiska, ye got no work. No, I'm a corona la recada of Dominia. Una la reca, then a geo of Dominu. Damago, I bet American, a mucho, a Nico, and Nabonas, or a boy, Lincoln Channel of London, Kaineva, no young one over Galoshi, on the Odo, 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 so the book quickly come and quickly man on you.
The fear bear tendency bear a young one. You can maybe make direct woman. Nana come less you tie it or you are destroyed and then Chana Boygia, Mavan Naiwa.
Somebody say it subtly. Ugly about Jehovah, but not the Bella Mayina. Excuse me to say, not every woman. If you are non they use marriage as a leverage to escape poverty.
To escape poverty.
Yes.
And hard work.
Yes.
Maybe I want to.
To some extent, there's either of truth in it. They work with entirely. What is the they work with entirely. 10% truth and some women, some ladies want to escape poverty by getting married.
If not, why will we be chasing after already made? I'm a already
not every woman. I'm stressing it because I know what I'm talking about. People are all less than them. Abba mon papa never wash la poverty. Go alaba umajiba you are what does they will post picture and write under it soft life. Soft life. If you have nyashi maka unyanyango. Nemako try that ayashimo. Nemako ayashima drango. Nema anyika kwenye. My husband will go and come. I'm saying not all of them, but majority of the generation we are in now. Those who are of the age 14 to 26, 28, they're about maybe 30. Let's take it from 14 years to 30 years. Those who are in that age range. Most of them don't want to work. They want to live a better life. We guys cannot wash you, or you are not working.
Also, we are doing one number, maybe. Enyaya yikani blonabe ejeben to provide. Oh baby blabe, the man must provide. The man must do this. Maybe eyeva nyaya uyokata hemvelo.
So what should the woman do?
Psychologically, like be ejeben chuanaji egane provide. Nami nepe dudu nepe eni to bobe enyeme blonabe eto fufu. Many provision ya blomo le bet to provider. Many gakwen dudu kwa even shelter blomol. And that provision never focus there. A gaji, plus shelter, plus tomata no baby you may dogo. Vo beregba. Nia that don't wanna do that.
Ukona kushia looking at me. Do I look like somebody who can go to farming? Yeah, she said it. Do I look like somebody who can go to farming? She said it. I was counseling. I was saying, oh, do I look like somebody? I believe a boyfriend, he can baby a diva. Do I look like somebody who can go to farm? Yes. And they completed University of Cape Coast together. But do I look like somebody? Just because I will first degree lecturer, do I look like somebody who can go to farm? But Victor, not to distract any profession, but Victor, I can only live like multiple yoga or Kawa. Then you call a health center. Yes, I'm not here to play like Mago Damele and I'm saying it on authority that most of them, not all of them, most of them, I deal with them every day. I deal with them every day. I deal with them every day. See, I'm the guy that me at Pony at the Azor, but let me tell you at the Pony. You come on Yamata Glomala, Undan and Yabran at the Bay Glomala. Manya ama refiti anyong agade bana yo wodo nutu di goli nutu di goli yaka nutu di go amade mate sropoga ade wotere bola bada bibe what brings the woman is what you have so now you are lazy so which of the woman no one kind of other go
only them never fima figaka enya gere fima kwa na dia only Messi menya na yatefe yo ta me biagere yatefe ya yike no do yo ke maybe galosi yike pride we be mete wa po ntu ano gbo wa ntu do only yike le ready o me dore ka omo Gatino no we can galosia, one or gomacuno bay, one or yes, madam, one or gadule, no.
Yes. We have it. We have it. We have them.
I think
these men, let me give you 3 things about those men.
Okay.
Ntumoto bia. I go never hold the ball. Imagine your door. Nico and Yoka. They check their dressing. Panadra. They put on nice perfume. They smell good. They dress nicely. Don't want to be dirty. They are gigolo. Onye nchiko wa jibana nyonwa olaka. Nyonwa na akpo yoji. Nyonwa na akpo yoji. Ncholi. Owa fokpara akema junare ngo. Wo polish na fokpara she wo she touch. Gwereka. Many people will go, oh please, what is that? What is that? Nchimo to be. Manya wo captain no mile because of some of the temperament about maybe melancholic and then phlegmatic la o mo dinaba e kana juro o ola o ba yo ko no change ho to no na change o ko ntu o no ma kaka ntu ko o pona ba ta nyomo no nya yo ba ajikwala wa agboro no bante ke no shi mo dress na they look very good
ike le lo penya me kokoma
yeah
if you have the temperament, doli ike wo hojina be you no kokone nema gake o mele nema
yes
gake utu yo ke ojina be you no no pe gaduma wo hanuma eyene na iko
that
wona
trait is in them and they learned it
okay
now stop it opena onto problema na nebe nebana yazuna na ko fake it until you make it have you heard it
fake
it until you make it. Ever, if you are not something, project yourself to be that thing, so that people will see you to be that thing, so that that thing you can attract that. I don't know if you understand. For instance, I'm a guy in a double LNB show. Kaka ele afodem abamone ele tababu abamone ele soso abamone bo kaka show na kaka show then amagba numa ka bumela abam edewa anum bo gedewa mabanam right now work is 90%, grace is 10%. Right now work is 90%, grace is 10%. But if you say grace and grace, you will be poor. So work and pray. Not pray without work. That fake it until you make it. You will fake it, you will not make it. The people who fake it and make it are the people who are willing to do something for themselves. People who become whatever they want to become are people who are deliberately working hard towards something.
So, Reverend, to me, fake is negative.
Okay.
So how can like fake? None you think a fake never atrozu.
Okay.
Positive.
Okay, I read a book, and the book was written by a Chinese man. He said, to attract good things, you speak it, you act it. You speak it, you act it. So you may not have the thing, but you can act it. But I'm saying that it is that theory that has made some people saying that fake it until you make it, but they fake it until they don't make it.
But possibly, huh? Maybe me coach me fake, me never fake move. For example, fear. Ben I have maybe over sunanya be oh ye make get maybe I dome allo ano nane wom for maybe we ma e gavi ke la siwa e va ko for pagan be ya di manager e gavi ma ta invest refi de ya ke va quote gan.
So that is the faking it. They don't have the capability, but they want to show to the people about the social media.
Okay.
About social media. This morning, Mako video there. Amano ila pama. You do ajala fuchi. Do ajala fuchi the bucket man. You go Ewenyigba, go umbrella daddy, and then the camera only show that place. You can go ahako daddy no. And the umbrella there to show that a travel. Either you go down the seashore, la hanum le chilling. You go camera oko mbari ajala fuchi. You go do that. And the person who was doing the video said that this is what people project to us outside. We don't see the behind the scenes. They post pictures, they post things, they post cars, they post, and then we believe that they are doing better than us, and we want to be like them, and we are killing ourselves emotionally. And he was advising that not everybody who you see on social media flaunting wealth, money, car, dressing, are actually having that thing. They were just projecting that part of their life. Meanwhile, it is fake.
Abegba yefugba gagbosu. Abegba yefugba gagbosu. Reverend Blonya Gedenami. Blonya Gedenami. But the kukuninga be niakpom fi ke niakpomle. Na niakpomle TVG. Ewenyigba TVG ejibe ado bia deda alo ya copy awoya ide Facebook Ewenyigba TV nenya wo Ewenyigba TV kwa ni jejege life ni kene bia na ngule de ete social media handles bubu yo katale mi asi atama ide afimawo ope bia na ngule de fuma fi ke nele afi enu angloma na copy open ko ha dak bedenu krebe me pomi me kemi eja wona gomoa enya amekenu fo won konye fuli Veronica ke apoto mi ato ikeleziame nu ya fia memia epe kwenye Reverend Adam Towson ke wona enye between us wona ikeina ji fida sia fida gandre tutututu mi puna nu to kadonya onu gbato ha mi be ega ple lolo money versus love mi we vai mi ji egba Reverend.
Yes.
Enya gan enya because ejo ale na nya glon ko me poma doko me picture pom be enya na ike jojo gbesi agbegbe for manya be these are the causes.
I'm over. You see the way the person project herself. I like a J. I like a J. I like a no J. Yeah, queer. I've been able. Oh, I think I like this lady. I want to marry her. I think I like this man. Many more back over. Yeah, everybody. Many more. Many more. So, I've let to go pass on the yes. That I've been a po amade le real viviale waliawa. All a couple. Ula Koboji. And Juamela, sit here. Real people is sitting. No, I'm not joking.
Oh, Reverend.
See, I'm not doing these things.
Reverend, baby. I'm a new recommend that to go. Today, I don't need Jim that there. Now you come. Reverend,
now the Amania Canal sit here. They have a price tag. They have a price tag. You must be rich and have car and have house. And the person who say, looking at me, do I look like somebody who can go to farm? That's their price tag. They are there. Fashion. Fashion. So everybody must block up the amount of the very national. Never alone with a gabo or punchiless or the propia, alone the relationship of ya. About what Pagaton no manchi. A popana Mark Brunia higher. No more a moment of her. You can't have them all low. I got directed for a car. You need burner. Now only go to you. Via my baby, young Gina. Into a woman. Of course, I was a person. I go over. It got the one number one toilet bowl. Into not toilet bowl. How much? Okay. Down to her in a two of peace. Okay. Peace. The second one is respect.
Respect. I'm a vehicle.
Those two things, every man on earth, even beneath the earth, in the sun, in the moon, they want that. If you give them, you win them. With a woman, you have to make sure that you provide provision. So and I'm telling you now, I can. If you say I'm lying, come, let's go and then do a research. Some of the marriages are still holding on because the man has the money to pay for bills. If the man is not having money, that marriage would have collapsed. Because no one will so boy Ella provide him, Ella able to that she won't. Yet that's the value. Can never that gap, full provision of relationship. Bills, provision. So marriages are not sustained by money. Okay. Yeah.
What was that? Yeah. Ewenyigba to be together siame.
Okay.
Me together asiame. Me together. Niko money versus love.
Okay.
Never be asimonyo nobody. Money play love day. Kaiha. Revenue behind the scene.
Yeah.
Amegeda egalevie fifi egba la mega meliode lekeleke gake imi benya wo record na obe love for after the let me record na for want to ga kona mebe egba emega meyiwa that is like there is a hypocrisy
very much.
Even
the church is part of it. The last time I was coming here, I did a post. The response was 145 people. None of them say love. All of them say money. Between money and love, which one do you want or which one do you value? None of the people mention love. None of the people, about 145 reaction, comment. Not almost, all of them say love, money. And the other people who are commenting are ladies. They say, does love pay bills? Does love go to the market?
Yeah.
Does love does this? Does love that? So it's money. But when you talk about them, But no, don't watch the kind of oh, I love him, I love him. What they are talking about, I love him. It's not love, it's God. What the person can provide. See, the way I'm just being emotional, but the fact of the matter is that we have to say the truth. We have to say that all Abanadi, ever the Jempia Abanadi, Mila church happening. I'm not talking about your church, I'm talking about church general. Church general means body of Christ. Oh, but look at that, when you're gonna. I just want to be able to nasa governor. I put the papa as I just want check it. People save 60,000 before they marry. Now, if you want to marry standard marriage, because I've married, so I know what I'm talking about. I've been married for some years now, and the people that come to me, I'm a designer. I do estimates. I do program for people. If you want to marry now and you want to do standard wedding, not as a luxury wedding, not exotic one, standard wedding, engagement and marriage that you bless, 60,000 to 70,000. That is the amount of money. 600 million to 700 million. Now we go a fraction of allergy. That is the standard one. If you want to do coleoto, you can about which is maybe between 30,000 to 40,000. The decoration. Meanwhile, that is not the core reason for marriage. That is just a day celebration. But marriage actually happened after the celebration.
So the celebration
is what we are looking at now.
Celebration
Left me alone. I'm using Ewenyigba TV to do this campaign. Wedding or marriage and funeral. Voter region, we should do something about it. Marriage and a funeral. Me wona na chonchi. No money obe. Maida kutabana ni chwa. Oh decoration. Oh decoration. Acho moto kaka ida Africa wa madigale. Decoration and decoration black and red. Setting. Different designs. From the present, Africa church, and the money that is going into that, where are we getting it from? And even if you have the money to spend, must it be on funeral? Must it be on funeral? Must it be on just a day celebration? The significance of marriage is, therefore, a man shall leave the mother, the father, and cling to the wife. Both of them will become one. That is the basis. The other celebration and those things are non-fact. Yes. Yes.
Amo hene gawa ko isuku. Amo adowu. Ule po me mawo. Amo fupepare eyiwa dukro me pe o. Emi jojo mda amaoji. Yike lolo de fear. What is true love? Enyebe edama atema koko pera me mani ka me de kemenya kwago. Gake lift up amede fa gbe. Gake me feel be egalenya si money versus love nya the way that the grace mommy war there moto kakakakakaya we are showing off.
Yes.
Mina pe gadam no pope egalenia si enya gake ni dem le lo.
As you're talking now, I just heard that somebody saying that I have my own money, I want to spend it. What is wrong with you? Please go ahead and spend it. And we are saying that it's the wrong way of spending money. No wise man does that. They use it to invent things and we buy from them. And they when they die, their children benefit, their children benefit. By you use it to do funeral, organize funeral, and you think it's good. It's over to you.
And only new one, miado vivide miado kyo mianto miado jo papa mo na nyambe enye anything that you do and it is about your ego benya we amona pobenya it is always not right zigeda menona etepo ni the money versus love wo ga ega le sima di fia be ga le si pla lo tepe lo ka de me le fia mo pla o pega lo ka de me le fia mo ya do ya mi keta mi wona decoration ma o peto me mi pe amen amega mega obeno vanu ba jogaga ni akpoga so money pull money. So, Emakata Omila, it is just a strategy to get more money. Money versus love, Lulu.
I think that Ewenyigba TV can pick up that challenge. I'm giving it to you as a project. That's what they Aleko got glimmering way. Aleko ole a new one. Ole Miona so the put up Aleko le one via. Avanabata a gagobla was so much that's the pressure that you know that in my church, we have young men that are above 35, they are not married because they don't have money to spend. Now everybody is saying the standard. Whether you have to spend like the 60,000. This is 60,000 you own now, you buy land, start something.
That go fear be chama en mesibe o pak pleso ni le gomese seva e ya krasi de no no melona. Ni le gomese seva ni court ni va woka mi dasi agbalete mi bova to me osofo yira mi ndi kan alo Sunday service o yira mi gama le nyasi gama mi be akọ wonu made mi kweko ya fe me mi dona no tefe Emma efe gbogbo anyi noge ajideji that I'm over drink kekedeka decoration mma kekedeka edoko de mi va doni gado donye tani va de sro vola tani bla hege ya
ala bana engi gere ajibe ya jamadem ajibe ya impress amade bon mama le shire mayibo that go be kuna ngwa mo program wona hina
and especially that especially tuna no get is there
like 80%, but some of them men too they want to prove to their ex that I can do it go and come again and they do it.
Also for Bronyadelo.
Yes.
Also for Bronyade. Also for Be. Which I know how one a double ex
yeah.
And they approve maybe
yes. Yes. Me, I've been expressing with them every day, so I know what I'm talking about.
So, because of if you have any of the crowd, maybe it's just to prove to the ex. They have already like the foundation
is weak. It's weak. Now, let me even give you this one before you go on if you have any question. Do you know people get into the new relationship because they want to prove to the other person they left? They are not healed. They are not healed from the previous one, but they enter into a new relationship now to prove to the person that they left that they can easily move on without them. Meanwhile, she's not healed, he's not healed. You have to heal completely, having at least 1 year and over. After 3 weeks, people are moving on. 3 weeks, you break up after 3 weeks, 3 months, they are into new relationship. And that thing cannot last. We have been saying it every day. They think we are joking. You yourself, you know that. Now dating is becoming function. Dating has become fashion. I date for marriage. You know what? I met my wife. I completed Western University here. I met my wife in November 2020. I married her September 2021. Not even up to 1 year. But we have never met before. I know why. Yes, November 2020. I married her September 2021.
I said that you have planned.
Yes.
And you know where you are going.
Now people are dating for 6 years, 5 years.
The dating is not for marriage.
It's supposed to be for marriage.
Today, relationship is for the reason for relationship reason. Unto planyon one hear me. Enjoy me do that is it.
Yeah.
It is not any longer about marriage. But the no new pobede minyo no new ha. Ne minyo no new ow. That can have a Jibia advance to prostitute. I don't know about the prostitute that or a Jibia no relationship. But you won't.
But she'll be in the relationship. You'll be in the relationship. I still doing it.
The enjoyment coming.
It's a problem. It's a problem. We need to talk about it. We need to talk about it.
At the food.
Yes.
Reverend.
Yes.
I've never gamanava. I demia. The other leak came ya adonu alo akomenemia nenu polauna asagom. Mejema biabede. Abele kemi ganya ya ogloma. Amesia mejibe ya boga. It's like me le rushing the gaji amesia me tamabunto ganu. Nipa question ebe magbele fugbeme.
Okay.
What does enough means to maybe someone? Gaya enyo na madede alo gaya enyo na ode leke mia
Bosso come. Okay. So maybe family A, family B, family C. So let's give that scenario. Family Bantu A, family Valenia B, family Valenia C. Amadoa all 6 bedroom.
Okay.
And then both of them, over salary, no couple, 20,000.
Okay.
Allo 60,000, allo 40,000. If you family B, over no mama, over salary in 10,000, which is 100 million. Family C, over a guy can never have a you got 5,000, I'm going to 2,000, I'm going to 3,000. But to the people who are having 5,000, 5,000 is enough for them.
Okay.
And to the second group, 20,000 is enough for them. But to the other group that is the first group, which is the group A, even 100,000 is not enough for them because of the way they carry the vision, how they want their family. Over family, when they test poverty, they will die. What other people are doing and they are surviving, when they come back and do, they will die. Do you know that? Let me not say this because internet. The fact of the matter is that
Okay.
Oh, yesterday I posted that you can burn yourself for somebody, but the person who complain about the smoke that is coming from your vent, you can burn
yourself
for them,
somebody,
but they will complain about the smoke.
The smoke.
For the smoke is disturbing me, but you are burning yourself for them. So how much is there enough money? How much is okay with them? No, they are not okay with.
You can burn yourself. For example, family can do kula.
Yeah.
Could get 12 o'clock midnight.
Yes.
Just be ya ponane ya coffee now. Hata ega para to kataka homa yo coffee na. Dake egbogboge maybe no ya gloreta. Lekele jafife ne ma fodi wo basa. Alo agbobeta begbogbo kaba. Be se begboko didi tenu.
Yeah. Nichore mma globana nyom gare ko nya ba gbonye. Ibo ko wadara fia. Nyomwa gaya to go to school. You having degree. Agabe ever can do good. Here, would they raise a gap? Kono bada not a loma in a play. No go first. I will mouth let them out. Another jump. I can do about blood. I don't work and pay one more. No, let them walk about Bobby can do a blood. No, we have that. He maintain into a bubble that he is the man of the house. Meanwhile, he gave you the money to start a business. You know, God. Now go start business. I gonna go from Bana. You might want to put it out, but you ain't job or you could not be the go start business on me. And can be a couple of people can do and moreover to is somebody's own work and pay. But you, the woman,
that
you
time,
you see the support. So that person, how much is your enough money? No. You can bend yourself to keep him warm, keep her warm. She will complain about the smoke coming from your belly.
That any other job the miagbe amekbeteme nyoa.
No, the end time. The end time.
Okay, we don't know.
Yes. Matthew chapter 24. And then 1 Timothy chapter 3, verse 4 downwards. It talk about it. Matthew Bagbala tabla bobone. Timothy Bagbala bato ta to kodija niba. Apunto niko waga menka kama mlova agalolo. You go watch it on the Vibla no wa ojere gata 50 Ghana cedis and 130 amount umaga pomo pero 50 Ghana and Vibla no maga pomo 50 Ghana. Hey, so it is just a sign that the world is coming to an end. Somebody will come in, oh, this thing they have been saying it since we are in primary 5. Yo, we are just messengers. We are telling you that a time is up and it is now that we must make get ready that the end is near. If you are not someone who believes in Jesus Christ because he's the way, the truth, and the life, with him you have your salvation secured. Oh, when you are ya account ala bana nke awe bana amara ko ga no bana na ko chashi ye amama la ko hima na go ima gbegere mu. It's greed. And Bible bana neba nke kawo elo wa baba bana mambo dogana nuwa numawo ikana jojoma yingo dogana nuwa bana neba ta ikonu ma ko nya banka nuwa agogo. Yes. 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 Yes.
Reverend Akpakakaka.
Yes.
Mejema Gabia, Biabia,
Okay.
Evelia.
Okay.
You be Biabia, Evelia, nyebede.
Yeah.
Reverend.
Yes.
Mecca. Allo, Nukae ma po. Le dokunyem afi ma dejesi alo ma nyabede enye verode dokito jila menya lo ga la menye.
Okay.
Because I do ya menye nene mega kenye menya.
Okay.
Mleke mawo because nijibe ni anya preso be ni anya ni agbugbo adomi adokiodo.
Anu banto ikana kola amoto bi ega unto na nyabara yenya dokito jila mbanto nyabara nanaka majamu amo nanaka wogoro wajamu.
Yeke amo menanaka wogana
wajanu.
Okay.
Yeah, that's first one that you are greedy.
Ikefia be manof for bubu. Some no see am.
Yes, ama bubua no one no man mo jekota e kom ye yola wo won to am de won na ma o nu banto nyima avelia yenye bana. You have never crossed gutter for somebody, but you want people to cross ocean for you. You have never crossed gutter for somebody, but you want others to cross ocean for you.
If you have a relationship, maybe you maybe a partner.
Yeah.
Nenai.
I have to give you this, you have to give me that, you have to give me this, you have to give me that, you have to give me this. You have never done.
We are the
Half of it. So you have never crossed gutter for somebody. But you want that person to cross oceans for you. You are greedy. That's 2. Number 3, that your money is your money, but his money is our money. You are very wicked.
You are very wicked.
Yes.
Other day, susu ya yikano na nyabe tamebe nye gaya tonyi. Jake uchuape gaya miya toede. Enye tagbosese onwo. For Reverend. Many we bronaniyo. Ni yazigera ye mesene nya jina ogbo.
Yeah.
Nya jina we fiami.
Yeah.
Allo, miya ya loko wa we na mi nyabe.
Yeah.
Ne yisro de pa. Woga many try to you. O family to you. They can trap a gaya. Miakata miatwe.
Okay.
Look, what is the sin?
Obana. Do avamo pop. Do avamo pop jack yiba. Na nyantu ne poma. Marakudo ne pomi. Afi na gbewa ya shigere nyamore be ya di na otozi esro a dupo je baba da afi okpo wa no dibo po le eganomoshi when she sees you in a good status, you have money, you have car, you have this and it. After 6 to 1 year, you can be liberation, but you try to test her and see if she can stand in for you. But your business is coming like a collapse.
Okay.
And then you make sure that you do it in a way because you regret it. And marriage is not something that you can just enter and then you say you are going out all of a sudden. Marriage is very, very sacred. As for that, we got to Maubo, Mate to Chugabia, Kubana, Christ, or Yabiam, pastor, and Yabiam, woman, as a woman, Bella, Tronimala, or you. Come on, what the heck, because of that, you have to test, you have to try, you have to do. Even if you are bending, you have to bend inside. So that's why if you want to go and make the choice.
Reverend, you have to
test the person if you didn't test. Okay, hello, honey. I think I have 2,000, but the thing is 3,000. I want us to buy it for the family. What's your date to know? If she didn't commit 1 city, 2 cities to it, and say, "Oh, I don't have anything now," you ask again, 3rd time, please run for your life. Now she will not help you in the marriage. If dating is like this, she will not help you in the marriage. She will only depend on you totally.
For LSC,
yes,
so
that's how come you are tested. If you are not working, why will you marry? That's why if you are a woman, you must be working. Before you marry, if you are not working, you marry. You are wicked. You are the one making the man suffer. If you are not working, bringing money home to take care of yourself and the man take care of the family, you are the one. You are very wicked. You are wicked. You are. If you are a woman, you are not working, and you are expecting marriage, and they marry you. You are very wicked. You are the one making the man go like that. Yes. So you must be working. So if she's working, that's when you test him. You test her. Test her on finances. Test her on intelligence. Test her on emotion. Test her on finance. And test her spiritually. Which is any Christian. Now, moment Christo told me I cannot have any Christo to a Christo. The person must believe in your Christ. If not, he will give you crisis.
If the person doesn't believe in your Christ, then you mama ho Christo Jesus are now crisis. Okay. Ebe le gapa bajia. Ebe brene beta. Oh, you be a plena.
I have 2,000. By 11,000.
Oh, attack per ni alo daya. The attack
per
Ale ke o behavior Naga try mega jajo.
3 times.
I try zieto emobuboji.
Yes.
Maybe banto ya na yo adoro lo
That's
pa.
what, yes.
Maybe atadi di vie
Reduce
po.
it.
Maybe agadi di ha.
Reduce it.
Still enya be galisi gake egbe.
The first woman you should run away from is women that buy singlet and boxer shorts on your birthday. Run away from them. Women that are fan of buying boxer shorts and singlet. Never any no. Here a baby at the short she will turn your appearance. You do a video with you on you. Here and you go on the planner. Here with a boxer short, with singlet. You are not a good wife. You are not even going to help him. You are selfish because you are looking for your own. The man that is celebrating a birthday, what did he buy for you? Or when you were celebrating your birthday, is he singlet and boxer short?
Rather birthday. No, you care or jigbeza dunkekejia wo flare singleti. Awutewi ni katro piton man chodona plevena wa asilebo kene gama kwele si
ibo go never gamala si o ma jebo na slow like I don't know so you
even gamala si o ko beje na desro
because you are going to bring problem you are going to bring problem
you are going to bring problem then you na papa na wodo you say at least day
no
we can be there
so
birthday
15 cities singlet boxer short 10 cities and you
maybe half of all you are the guy buffalo godi kofe now over birthday
now
ko
now you bet
could I not tap on
you bet your boyfriend Ashen if you say oh dear the birthday boxer short me singlet me ne bobra me kakuli wa I can meet your command my pep kaka na bare nyongubu na bia makobanke akobana the singlet ne you boxer short ne what go na de you nti ba hobela show na you nto your lebani nti wo ha oji nyomi ko won won lebana akpo oji aplan na what plan to do now achukwa ko darema manya ntukokoko nyo because it's a partnership now people are now even fighting men what men can do women can do better so why can you not take care of us
akpe reverend akpe reverend bede no be what men can do they can do and do better ta mejebe niaba no boxer shorts film no lo pe birthday mia ha mia wodo apple no ike eje reverend be ega elefefe de ga kede ega va nka lolo tapo mi ajagbagba a lo mi anu mi ajagbagba ele church your church ha papaji be le church papaji go ha eva ja be ega va jibe yaduji ga kenya
first offering second offering
first offering second offering ni afuma ba ta akpe be mi no mi agbo mi ese mi ape enyawo akpe na mi kakake enyame ike le eziama nko enye foli Veronica ke nyato ike no eziama ike funu na mi ebe nko enye Reverend Edem Townsend ke wona enye between us wona fida ike gagbona gandre tutu na noyi na kpomi aga heta nyato hiade ave now ke nyebe TV enye Ewenyigba TV miela multi TV ji nenyebe ejibe ya kpomi eyemanyale ike na lemiwa atayo 0540289608 ni afia ole ike na le Ewenyigba TV kemiele ho Jinfuga hostel pe nkumeko atadicha ava kpomi ajodonyawe oya dicha ava kpomi bia iskela si okwa dicha ava kpomi mi akọ kata akọ anao eza ni na mi akata bye bye